Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a die-cut sticker with Cameo. First, you need SolidWorks Studio software. I have the version 4.4. It's the basic free editions. After you open your Studio software, you want to go to your page setup. Right here, I'm using Cameo 4. The mat is 12 by 12. The media size is a letter. You want to make sure your print border and cut border check. And next thing, you want to go to registration mark. You want this on because without those registration mark, your Cameo cannot do print and cut. And then now you need to open your design. So go to File, Merge. The reason I choose Merge instead Open because I don't want to open different windows. Gonna do this one. Because I have the latest versions, the software, so they have the really cool functions features is auto trace. So if you go to the sand, you will see that it's traced already, it's ready to cut. If you have the older version, you have to do it yourself. So what you need to do is go to the trace menu, select trace area. You want your image turned to solid yellow. So you can do it by threshold, go to 100%, and you want to do trace out the edge. If you move your image, you will see that you get a trace line. I don't need that, so I can just go ahead and delete it. Next thing, you need to do the offset, and click on your image, click offset, and I like it about 0.15. Just really personal reference. And then you go to the sand panel. You will see there are two lines there. This means your Cameo is going to cut both lines, and I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to cut the inner red line and then hit no cut. And then you go back and you want to select both, and then right click and then group them. Next thing you want to do is properly resize it before you duplicate more. So I go to the transform panel, scale, make sure this is lock. I'm like above 3 inches. Apply. I probably want to duplicate 4 of them, so I go to replicate panel, and I'll go do 3 more duplicate. So now I have 3 more. You can also do fill page, but fill page usually they don't really fill up the page too good. So you still have to arrange the your image. So I'd rather just do it by myself. Okay, I'm gonna arrange them so it will fit more butterflies. You want to make sure that your image is not passing the red line or the gray line. This one can move slightly a little bit. Okay, these two I probably want it smaller, so I go to the transform, scale, and I want a 2.25. Okay, apply. And then let me see. I'm gonna arrange them again. Okay, click on one of them. Touch the yellow ball. I mean the green ball. Then you can move them around. Gonna be here. This one I probably put it here. Oops. Okay. Now I want to open another design. So go to File. Again, we do merge. And I'm going to do the red one because it's auto trace already, so I just had to go offset, click on the image, offset, go to 0.15, apply, go to sand, same thing, you want to click on the inner red line and hit no cut. Go back to design and select both. right click, group, and then go to transform, scale, so we can make them smaller. I'm going to do 3 inches again. Going to move them a little here. Okay. I'm going to duplicate 3 more. So go to replicate panel. I'm going to do duplicate here. You need to click on first before you can duplicate. Same thing. This one, I probably moved it to here and turn like this. This two, I want to make it smaller. So I'll go to transform, scale. I'm going to do 2.25. Apply. Okay. This one I'm going to move it. Move to here. This one gonna move to this way. Okay. Yep. Okay, I still have room for probably one more design. So go back to file, merge, and I'm going to do the blue one. Same thing, it's auto trace already. So I'm going to offset. Click on the image, hit offset again. Okay, I'm going to change to 0.15. Apply. Then you go to the sand. Oops. Sometimes kind of delay. Okay, hit the inner red line and say no cut. Go to the design, select both, and right click and group, and go to transform, scale. I'm gonna make it 3 inches and apply. So let me see. I probably can fit one more, so I'm going to replicate and duplicate one. Okay, let's see. Okay, we'll fit. Just need to move this one. Okay, now works perfect. So what you need to do is just hit printer. Okay, now looks pretty good. Okay, go to hit print. Make sure choose the right printer and go to preferences. I'm using the printable vinyl sticker. It's glossy, so I choose glossy. And you hit advanced, and to make sure the output quality is high quality. Hit OK, and then make sure hit apply, and then you just hit print. Then after that, you can print out your sticker from your printer. Okay, I will be right back with the photo sticker paper, and then I'm going to show you how to do it in the Cameo. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. So I get my my sticker print out. Turn out looks really nice. So next thing you need to do is put it on your the mat. So I'm going to peel. You want to make sure that the corners match the corner really good. You don't want to show any of those gray line, the top gray line. So you try to slightly on top. Try to on top of that line as possible. It will avoid a lot of the restoration mark reading error. So let me see. I want this. See, slightly cover the gray line. You won't see the gray line from here at all. Okay, and then now you can put it to the camera and load to the machine, and then we go back to the software. Okay. Okay, now we're back to the software. My sticker paper already loaded to the machine, so right now we go to the stamp panel. You want to make sure everything looks good before you start to printing. I mean cutting. So the material I use cardstock, printable adhesive bag. If you're doing kiss cut, you will want to use a sticker paper, white. Um, for me, the cardstock printable adhesive bags do the best for cutting die cut, for my sticker paper. It really cut through really good. Because I'm using auto blade, and then I don't need to do anything. And if you're using a different blade, you may want to try copy this setting. The blade would be 4, the force would be 29, the speed would be 3 in one pass. So then now, if you haven't used this, that sticker paper before, you may want to do a test first. But I do this millions times, so I can just go ahead hit send. And I'm going to record my camera reading registration mark and cutting, and I will be back. Okay, now my camera just finished cutting. You can see that I'm going to remove the top. You see, it's cut really, really good. You can see that every single one's cuts well. Okay. By the way, this beautiful butterfly patterns files from my designbundle.net. I'm gonna have the link below so you can check out. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.